But first up this evening, Vasudha, a quick check of the latest in that Karnataka power tussle, which is never ending, with both the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and his Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar reiterating repeatedly that they will abide by the party's high command decision. There is that hectic lobbying, though, that seems to still be playing out behind the scenes. D.K. Shivakumar has made a trip to Delhi to attend a wedding. He says it's a private event, but obviously the political activity being closely watched. Siddaramaiah today, Vasudha, shared the stage with Congress General Secretary in charge of Karnataka, K.C. Venugopal, in Mangaluru, and there was a lot of politics there as well.
That's right. The Congress categorical, Veera, that it sends out the right optics, and both leaders have dismissed all speculations of internal conflict. But it's clear that D.K. Shivakumar and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge want a transition of power in Karnataka, and Siddaramaiah is keen to delay such a move for as long as possible. In fact, PWD Minister Satish Jarkioli, seen as a power center in the state, said the Chief Minister's post is not permanent. D.K. Shivakumar also spoke with NDTV after landing in Delhi. He dismissed all speculations and he has said that he is in the capital for a wedding and has no politics on his agenda.
Well, we've landed in Delhi with the Deputy Chief Minister. Sir, we just chatted while you were here, while you were coming from Bengaluru, and you did say that, a couple of visits here, both personal. But tell us, during these personal trips, amidst the cold weather of Delhi, is there any hot political development, sir?
No hot politicals. You are making only things hot. There is no hot here. I have just come here to attend a friend's marriage.
Yeah.
At Lee Milden.
Yeah.
Morning 8 o'clock I'll go back because tomorrow 11 o'clock I have a cabinet meeting.
Yeah.
3 o'clock I'm having a minister's meeting.
Okay.
For the preparation of the Assembly session.
Yeah. Everything draws curiosity, sir. Ministers meeting together once again. What can we expect out of that meeting, sir?
No, that meeting is fully about our Assembly session. We want to caution all of them.
Yeah.
To prepare themselves, whatever their opposition party will take up the issues. We should be well prepared to answer all of them.
Yeah.
And normally in Belgaum, there will be a lot of chaos by the various agitators.
Yeah.
Sugarcane farmers, maize farmers, and all these issues will be there.
Right.
So all those things we have to tackle because it is very near to the many districts and a large number will gather. How to see that it be controlled? So that has to be taken care of.
So in 2023, I remember speaking to you and you had said that, always hard work is something that is recognized in the Congress party. At the end of the 2.5 year mark in Karnataka, after the government has come, you have, promised many things, you have delivered. But, as far as your hard work and recognition of that is concerned, many people still talk about that.
I don't want to comment much on that. Myself, Chief Minister, we both have publicly acknowledged on the political angle. Mm-hmm. That is the end of the discussion on the media or anywhere.
So this is not something that you want to openly discuss anymore, but it will happen closed doors?
I don't want to. This has already been discussed with all of you number of times.
Sir, idlis and nati koli was for breakfast in Bengaluru. Is it going to be, you are vegetarian, so I'm going to ask you, is it going to be butter paneer masala in Delhi for dinner, sir?
I don't know what my friend is. It is a marriage function.
Yeah.
Or my house or in Karnataka Bhavan, whatever they prepare, I'll have.
Yeah. And lastly, any plans of meeting any of the top Congress leaders here while you're in Delhi, sir?
No, I think it is very difficult.
Okay.
I may not be able to get time because many of them are very busy with the parliament preparations.
Yeah.
Opposition leaders will be already busy with their preparations.
Yeah.
So I don't want to bother them at any point of time.
So last question to you. Today some sloganeering as well. Now many of your supporters in Mangaluru while Mr. K.C. Venugopal arrived there. How do you really look at that? Is that something that's on...
Politics, there will be a lot of aspirations, wishes, deliberations. This is a part of our public life.
Thank you, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar, for speaking to NDTV.
All that on record, but what happened off record? Deepak Bupanna joins us live. Deepak, Shivkumar said he will eat what's served for dinner at Karnataka Bhavan or at that wedding. I'm sure tomorrow morning breakfast both of you will have on the Air India flight back to Bengaluru. What's the political gup you're giving us this evening?
Well, Veera, you know, the weather is cold, but the political scenario in Karnataka is always hot, isn't it? And for the Deputy Chief Minister to be here, we at NDTV had put out these details that there's a likelihood of him visiting Delhi midweek, and that's exactly what has happened. While, of course, he continues to maintain that this is a personal visit, considering the current political scenario and everything that's happening, it does raise a lot of eyebrows and does, rake in a lot of curiosity. When the Chief Minister was asked earlier in the day about the Deputy Chief Minister flying to Delhi, he says, well, let him go, and I'm going to go only when the High Command really invites me. Amidst so much happening in the Parliament, whether there will be any sort of opportunity to meet any of the AICC leaders, especially the Gandhis, that is going to be something that we are of course closely tracking. But one thing is certain, that the High Command didn't want the drama to escalate to Delhi. They wanted it, of course, to be subdued in Karnataka itself, in Bengaluru in particular, and that's the reason they insisted on the 2 breakfast meetings. That has concluded. Even if there is anything that's going to happen, it's not going to happen out in the open. The High Command is, of course, very clear right now. They want to ensure that all of these conversations, if and when they happen closed doors. We had, of course, put out details about how things are playing out in Delhi. There is a serious consideration that's happening about what to do if there is going to be a transition, weighing their pros and cons.
Well,
it is not an easy decision for, the High Command to make. That, of course, includes Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, and the 2
Vasudha, we can talk and
AICC
talk,
General
but the High
Secretaries,
Command will
especially
decide
KC
when it
Venugopal,
does.
who's known Karnataka
Absolutely.
very well, and Mr. Surjewala as well.
Right.